we'll guide you through how to create a Vercel account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to vercel.com using your preferred web browser on your desktop. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button in the top right corner that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click that. You'll be given a few options to create your account. You can sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, which is really handy if you already use these for your projects. Simply click on the option you prefer and follow the prompts to authorize Vercel to access your account. If you don't want to connect through these platforms, you can also sign up with your email address. Just enter your email, create a secure password, and click Continue. You'll receive a verification email in your inbox, so make sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to Vercel where you can start setting up your first project. It's a good idea to explore the dashboard a bit, where you can connect repositories, deploy projects, and manage settings. Remember, Vercel is known for its ease of use with front-end frameworks, so if you're working with React, Next.js, or other similar frameworks, you'll find Vercel's integration quite seamless. And that's it. You've successfully created your Vercel account and are ready to start deploying your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.